Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best umbrellas for kids going back to school. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with MRTLLOA Kids Clear Bubble Umbrella. The MRTLLOA Kids Clear Bubble Umbrella features a clear, dome-styled canopy allowing kids to view their surroundings while staying dry in the rain. Its playful and whimsical design makes it a charm for little ones. The umbrella has rounded tips and a pinch-free mechanism, making it easy to open and close, preventing hand injuries. Kids can easily handle the umbrella with its curved handle and lightweight design. Made from polyolefin elastomer, this umbrella is designed to endure harsh weather conditions like rain and wind, offering lasting durability. ThreeH Kids Clear Bubble Umbrella. This umbrella features a bright and vibrant rainbow design, making it an instant attraction to kids. Its transparent canopy design provides clear visibility while keeping them dry. The simple manual open or close mechanism ensures smooth handling, making it easy to use without sudden surprises. Its soft handle, strong fiberglass ribs, and complete fiber skeleton offer excellent protection against wind and rain. Its lightweight and practical design makes it an ideal choice for young ones on the move. Stephen Joseph Pop-Up Umbrella Frog. The Stephen Joseph Pop-Up Umbrella features playful 3D designs of characters that little kids are sure to adore. Crafted from 100% polyester, it features a water-resistant exterior to keep it dry on rainy days. It has an easy open-close button-free feature, preventing pinched fingers and simplifying the operation. Its curved handle makes it easy to hang when not in use, while the hook and loop strap wraps it up neatly, keeping it compact and portable. Thanks to its perfectly sized frame and light build, kids can confidently manage the umbrella all on their own. Which is the best? The MRTLLOA Kids Clear Bubble Umbrella is the best umbrella for kids going back to school since it offers a clear dome canopy for visibility and full rain coverage. Its lightweight, kid-friendly design and pinch-proof safety features make it simple and safe for little ones to use daily. Plus, it is durable enough to handle everyday weather, which is perfect for school day use. Thanks for watching.